Hey guys, welcome. Yeah, so example 4 here, and the task here is similar to example 3 in that we have to go from a closed form to an expanded form. So because of that, all we're doing is plugging in numbers, right? So in that sense, it's pretty straightforward, but we have to do it pretty carefully here because we're dealing with some negative exponents since this time we're starting with a negative integer here, right? So sigma here starts with -2. And so that means that to start, we'll have 3 to the power of -2 minus 1, or 3 to the power of -3, right? And we remember from our exponent lessons that 3 to the -3 power is the same as 1 divided by 3 to the third, or 1 divided by 27. So we see that we have to start with 1 divided by 27. And then sigma means add, so we go plus. And then we move on to -1, because we're counting up, remember. So we move on to -1, and so the second term will be 3 to the power of -1 minus 1, which will be 3 to the power of -2, which again by exponent lessons means we have 1 over 3 to the positive 2, which is 1 over 9. So to start, we had 1 over 27, and then plus from sigma. And then now we have 1 over 9, and then we'll have plus from sigma. And the next guy will be when n is equal to 0. So we'll have 3 to the -1 power, and that's the same as 1 divided by 3 to the first power, which is the same as 1 divided by 3. So our third term is going to be 1 over 3, and then we'll have plus. And then when n is equal to 1, our fourth term will be 3 to the 0th power, which is 1. So our fourth term will be 1, and then we'll have plus. And then when n is equal to 2, we'll have 3 to the first, or 3. And you get it. So the answer is this. And because the top of sigma tells us that it never ends because it's infinity, we just go plus ... Yeah? All right. So example 5, and I promise example 5 will be much harder than example 4. Keep watching.